Hi, welcome back to the Attorney Steve Whiteboard. We are talking real estate in this episode. We are talking cease, desist, and refrain letters from the Bureau of Real Estate, BRE. Okay, so you may be engaged in licensed real estate activity without a real estate license, and the BRE may not like that. The BRE, Bureau of Real Estate in Arizona, it's the Department of Real Estate. Same difference. We're licensed to practice law in California and Arizona. But it's the same thing. You get this letters, desist and refrain, cease and desist. Stop what you're doing, in other words. You have no right to continue doing what you're doing. So, and that may be true. You may be engaged in unlicensed activities. For example, in real estate, where you're engaged in unlicensed activities, that's a misdemeanor. Okay, so you're facing some potential problems. So if you get the letter that says you're engaged in unlicensed activities, you may want to consult with an attorney because you may have some serious legal liability on hand. In other cases, you may get a desist and refrain for, let's say you're a property manager and they find that you're not keeping records and you don't have a bank account and you're not engaging with your trust funds, that you commingled or you've absconded with trust funds. You could get a cease and desist because in that situation, the Department of Real Estate, the Bureau of Real Estate could say, what's going on? You're absconding with money. You're stealing money that belongs to the landlords, to the owners of the property. So if you get one of these letters, okay, don't panic. Give us a call before you go sending letters and making phone calls and making statements, things that could be used against you. Contact our firm and let's discuss. Let's see what's going on, okay? In many cases, we can offer a flat rate service a flat rate fee for our service. That basically, you have a limited time frame to respond to this and get yourself a hearing set up. So if you miss it, if you wait too long, generally speaking, we're talking 30 days, you've got to get in and request a hearing, okay? When you request a hearing, then you can get your file, see what's going on, and try to work out a deal with the Department of Real Estate. Now they may work something out with you, they may not. You may end up going to a hearing on this. But the point is, when you're facing the loss of your license, this is a very serious issue, and I would encourage you, before you go calling everyone, calling the attorney that's listed on the letter saying, I didn't do this, here, this, take a deep breath, give us a call. You can find us at attorneysteve.net. We've been helping real estate licensees for years now fight and try to save their real estate licenses, okay? And oftentimes we can negotiate a settlement. Not always. Some things are, frankly, too tough to save your license. The Department of Real Estate doesn't think you should be practicing real estate because they fear that you're a danger to the public. But in a lot of instances where you can show your good faith, sometimes you see things that are not exactly as the department is putting it, where you can make a good showing of rehabilitation and some other things, where you can set the facts of your case in a way that makes sense and now it illuminates the picture to the department or the bureau, then you may be able to save your real estate license. That's where we come in. We're a third party that can come in and advocate and negotiate on your behalf to try to help save your license or reduce the discipline that you're going to get on your license, okay? So give us a call, 877-276-5084. This is Attorney Steve Vondran, BRE, DRE, License Discipline. Thank you very much. We look forward to working with you.